Hey guys, Zen up here. Today we are checking out the AXE5300 Wi-Fi mesh router system from Deco. Since I've been getting all of these security cameras and stuff, I need to push the Wi-Fi out further and further and further, and it is not going. So we are going to hook up this router system to our Starlink and get a little bit more range. Here on the side of the box we have a QR code that we can scan and download the app. So let's do that now. There is our app. Let's open it up. Paint your home in Wi-Fi. Let's begin. Oh, there it is, AXE5300. So this is the device right here. It has 3 Ethernet ports and a power outlet. We also have 3 of these power cables and 1 Ethernet cable. Okay, well we have all that. Let's hit next. Power off your modem. Remove the battery backup if it has one. Disconnect your old router before moving on. We're going to call this one Starlink Mesh. You'll hit done and next. Save your Wi-Fi network to your phone. Yes, save. And we are connected. Testing interwebs. Yay. Plug in other included devices and they'll automatically be added within 2 minutes. There's all 3. Alright, well, let's go unplug these and take them to where their new homes are and see if they still pick up. Okay, so my phone is connected to the Wi-Fi mesh. Oh, look at that. We just connected. Let's go back to here. Refresh this. I know oh, there it is. Look at that. So right now I'm about 200 feet away from the main router. Oh, megabits. Huh, that was amazing. That was a cool test though. We are out in what will one day be our Radio Shack. And we have our Deco here plugged into our Duracell Power Block 500, something like that. And then we have a fan up here and a fan back here blowing onto this because it's going to get a little bit warm today. We are currently using 12 to 14 watts of power, and from this one solar panel, not really placed correctly, we're bringing in 29 watts of power. Without the solar panel hooked up at night, this will bring in, or this will last about 30 hours. So we should have enough power from this one solar panel here, not really placed correctly, to charge that whole setup and have it run 24/7. So we're going to test that out and find out. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.